Review library loans, renew items, and more by logging into your library account using the OneSearch catalog. Go to the Clovis Community College website and select the library link at the top of the page. Once you are on the library page, find and select the Books Library Catalog link. On the OneSearch catalog page, choose the Sign In link at the top. If a dialog box appears, choose OneSearch Login. You will be asked to sign in using your State Center Community College credentials, the username and password that you use for Canvas or your school email. You are then redirected to the main OneSearch page, only now you are signed in and should find your name at the top. Click on your name to get your account information. Selecting the Library Account link takes you to an overview of your account. Multiple account actions are displayed on your overview page. Select Loans to check what items you have out and to renew items. Choose Requests to review ready or pending item requests. If you need any help with your account, or if you have any other library questions, please feel free to contact the library.